Hey guys and girls, Froggy here. Well, this is the finishing up of the racks that I made for my detailing bottles, spray bottles. And you can look on the other video if you want to see what this looked like before I painted it. This is really just a painting, about painting the stuff. So this is PVC pipe. These are PVC 90-degree angles, and I sprayed the screw heads. I thought that was kind of clever, just sticking them in the box like that. I don't claim I'm the first guy who ever did that. And I'm also not the first guy who ever hung things on coat hangers to spray them. And my spray booth is under the Robollinis out there. But yeah, this is how it goes together. I just thought, for an extra 40 minutes worth of work, I guess, I sanded them down with this. This is fine. The red is a fine sandpaper. And this is good for plastic. And what you do have to do, though, you have to knock that really shiny, glassy finish off. Otherwise, it really won't adhere very well. Especially these. These are really shiny. And they have a paper sticker on them with a SKU code. So that's how I did it all. I did 3 coats, a very light, a heavy, and then a finish light. And it's really nice if it stays stuck on there. It's going to be pretty good. I didn't paint these. I thought the color match was close enough. I don't really care. It's just in my garage. So tell me what you think about these. I'll show you one hanging up. So there you go. I put it up high because I wanted the stuff up out of the way, and we could hang a couple of things on there and show you how it works. Sorry, I'm getting all out of frame here. My bad. But there, that is going to be a much better way of storing these bottles than having them take up real estate on my desk, right? Or being in a drawer. I mean, you don't want to put these in a drawer, so you could spend 20, 30, 40 bucks for a rack like that, or you could make it yourself for under 10. Okay, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the notification bell if you want to be notified when the new videos go up. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye.